A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear children. Welcome to the fifth module of English. In this module, I am going to recite a poem named Everyday Things by Jean Iyer. The poem is all about the things that we need in our daily lives. These things are used by famous people and common people too. So we can say famous people such as celebrities and important people such as ministers often do things very differently from ordinary people. Like they travel with bodyguard, but ordinary people don't. Ordinary people means common people. There are also a few things that all of us do exactly the same. Like when we are hungry, all of us eat food. So basically, the poem explains the importance of things that we use in our day-to-day lives. Now I am going to recite the poem Everyday Things by Jean Iyer. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Were you president, king, or millionaire, you would use a comb to comb your hair. If you wished to be clean, and you would, I hope you would take a bath with water and soap. And you would have to eat if you wanted to eat bread and vegetables, fish and meat. While your drink for breakfast would probably be milk or chocolate, coffee or tea. You'd have to wear, you could hardly refuse underclothes, outer clothes, stockings and shoes. If you wanted to make a reminding note, you would take a pencil out of your coat, and you couldn't sign a letter, I think, with anything better than pen and ink. If you wanted to read, you would be sure to look at newspaper, magazine or book. And if it happened that you were ill, you would down some oil or choke on a pill. If you had a cold, I can only suppose you would use a handkerchief for your nose. When you wanted to rest your weary head, like other folks, you would hop into bed. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. So children, in this poem, we learned that even famous people can't live without everyday things and how much important these things are for ordinary as well as famous people. So now you will recite the poem and write it down in your English 2 copy. Also learn all the word meanings and try to find out possessive pronouns and demonstrative pronouns from the poem. That's all for today's class. Stay happy.